That chord affects nothing for us. Yeah.
It's called a one chord, Cole.
My impression of Cole.
Yeah, the first big chorus. I mean, first big bridge.
Tomlin, you're loud. There's people trying to sleep. See? People that's working for you are trying to sleep, but you're extremely loud. Alright. You got some feet tapping going on. Well, you were. There we go. Mountain Dew.
On the altar of our praise,
Nothing better than Tomlin and Mountain Dew. Ain't that right? That guy thinks so.
It's the middle of a really long sneeze.
A very long sneeze, indeed. Slow motion. Everything. So that means we're super fast. They have to slow Chris Tomlin's voice down because he really sounds like a chipmunk. So this is real time. This is super slow-mo for Chris Tomlin. And that's a super slow-mo sneeze right there. Oh. Bye. Bring us something back good.